I've been wanting to get a new router. I decided after looking around at different reviews and different options to go with this set. This is the 20 volt Workpro. This one can do 30,000 RPMs. It's a wood router. And this one comes with 3 bases, the plunge, the angled, and the straight. Well, the angled and the straight. This is the box that it shows up in. Let's take it out of the box and take a look at it. Inside the box, we can see that it comes in a really nice Workpro box. The case is zip tied, so we know that it's brand new. That's nice. And when we open it up, this is definitely going to last a good long time for work sites and that kind of thing. We've got some bits, which is super handy to have a selection of these right away. It's cool that they're in the Workpro green. We've got the battery, of course. This is cordless. We've got the charger for the battery. We've got the vacuum containers. And then we've got the plunge. And then we've got the standard straight. And then we've got the angled. Nope, that's the straight, that's the angled. Now I can see. Very nice. Very compact unit. The battery goes up top here. And that's all there is to it. Very well balanced. Great handles. These are rubber molded, over mold. So this top part is rubber. The bottom part is heavy duty, probably nylon plastic. Nice smooth cutting surfaces. And then you've got the rest of the attachments and tools in the case. Very well made, very well presented from Workpro. I want to thank them for sending us this one to check out. Hope this helps.